Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. It's a lovely, pretty Sunday today. I'm sitting in my balcony and enjoying the nature. It's so lovely. No rain, nothing, no cloud. It's a bright sunny day and Sunday, and we cannot go out. You are stuck inside. It's another round of lockdown here. I stay in Bangalore, and I really feel sad about that. But yeah, कुछ कर नहीं सकते वैसे the way corona is spreading and it's really kind of have taken control over our lives, it seems, right? So yeah, we cannot go out, so I just thought I'll shoot my video because that actually gives me some kind of pleasure. So yes, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. Today I'm going to talk about this product. This is a solution for contact lenses. So people who are wearing contact lenses like I do, I'm sure that you know about this product, but for the beginners who really do not know about the solutions and really scared about how to maintain a contact lens, because obviously you're putting it into your eyes, so that's kind of difficult. So yeah, for them I'm shooting this video today. So yeah, this is I think this is perhaps the biggest container. Let's talk about the packaging first. It says Bausch and Lomb Renu, Renu. You can see a whole lot of instructions over there. Like, it's for external use and it gives you some protection. Protection, what should I say, guidelines. Like, it says that you have to always discard the solution from lens case after each use, which is like very important. If you are a lens user, you already know, but if you are a beginner, let me tell you, if you are using this solution, you have to dip your lenses into the solution, and it's your duty and it's a mandate to through the solution after every 2 days. It's good if you can do it after every day, but then it's fine if you're doing it after 2 days, right? Then also it says that you have to keep the bottle tightly closed when not in use. Yes. Then use before expiry date, which is marked already, and then you have to discard the remaining solution within 90 days after opening. So just imagine, if you are using the solution for a long time, if you perhaps buy 2-3 bottles and then you end up keeping it for a longer time, don't do that. You can keep it only for 90 days after you open. Even if the expiry date is not that, still you have to throw this, because you cannot keep it for more than 90 days after you open it. Okay. Then do not mix with uh, other things. Like, sometimes, since it looks like water, we tend to mix it with water, because yeah, we wash everything with water, eyes, hands, everything. So don't do that. This is something absolutely different. It's not water. Do not ever mix it with water. Then yeah, these are the things which you have to follow. And here, this part is about the manufacturing site. Then it talks about the MRP is 500 rupees and it is 355 ml. 500 rupees mentioned over here, 355 ml. Batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date. The expiry date which is mentioned over the packaging is 2 years. All right. And imported, yeah, this is supposed to be imported. So yeah, that's what. Customer care number, everything is displayed over here. This is pretty much how it is. Let me just open it, guys. And ingredients, wow, that's a wonderful thing. Ingredients are listed too. Okay, so yeah, there you go. It's tightly packed, guys. You really have to open it carefully because it's heavy, it might fall. There you go, guys. And there is a surprise, small surprise. Yeah, you get a free lens case with this. So if you are a lens user, if you are using contact lenses on a daily basis like I do, I would prefer to buy this one, because you get a lens case free of cost with this. And the quality of this lens case is really good. It's PET 5, guys, if you know what I mean. Like the PET bottles or PET containers, they have the grade, right? PET 1 2 3 4 karke, I think it's still 7. So the water bottles that we use, they are generally PET 1 or PET 5. PET 5 is recommended always, because they are the best among all the plastic containers or bottles. Now this one is a PET 5 lens case, guys. It's mentioned, as you can see. Yeah, and this is really good, looks good as well. You see left mentioned over here. Left is for your left eyes. Left not, it's L. L is for left, and that's for your left eye. Another one is for right eye. Green one is for right eye. And this is the container, guys. It's really big, and you can keep it for 1 month depending on how many varieties you have. Like I currently I'm using this one only. It's windy. Currently I'm using this one only, this blue pair, but I'm planning to buy more. I normally use 3-4 types at a time. They are like for 1 year I buy them, and so I need lenses quite frequently. I do not anyways keep them for more than 3 months because I use them on a regular basis. And if you are maintaining 3 to 4 pairs of lenses, obviously you need to throw the solution after every 2 days. And when you are using the lenses, then also you have to really wash your lenses with this, and then you can put them in. So yeah, you need them quite often. I would suggest always buy the bigger bottle. You get a free lens case. Obviously, that's a benefit. Another thing is it will go for a long time. And if you compare the price, this one is cheaper compared to the smaller ones. There's a one which is a travel kit this much. I think that is 60 ml. You can also keep it in your handbag if you're going outside. I do that personally because sometimes some dust particle or something, that goes inside, and you have to immediately take your lens out, wash it. For that, you need the smaller bottles, but otherwise, this is the best. And again, you see so many things mentioned over here, guys. I don't even read all of them because I used to once, when I started, but now since I'm using for quite a long time, I know it says that you have to keep it in a dark place, cool place. Do not keep it where the heat or the temperature is too high. Then it might I don't know what will happen, but that's not recommended, guys. Yeah. And yeah, then it also says the directions, like how you have to use it. It's like if I read the steps one by one, you would really feel bored. So if you are fond of these things, you can go to their website. There also these things are listed perfectly, right? And again, like here also you see the price tag, manufacturing expiry date and all. And I'll just open up. This is very nicely and tightly packed, guys. They really take care of the packaging a lot, but to open up is really easy. There you go, guys. I like to open it. Actually, it gives me some kind of childish pleasure, I like to open up the plastic thing. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is how you open it. And yeah, there you go, guys. You simply, like, this is how you can actually take it. Do not press it like you do a pitchkari. Do not press it, then it will simply prrr karke it will come out. So I don't know how to tell you. So like so yeah, so do not have to press it, just hold it carefully. Drops will automatically fall. You don't really have to press it hard. You will end up wasting. Okay. So be very careful with your lenses if you're a lens user. You already know, but still I thought it's my duty to make a video. Yeah, so I did it, guys. And yeah, that's all for today. You want to know anything else about lenses or the brand that I use? Like I said, that I'm planning to buy more, so I'll actually make separate videos on the lenses that I'm gonna buy. And yeah, I'm really fond of them. I'm using them for like many years now. I'm quite used to. So yeah, if you are if you are a subscriber, then I love you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you have not done it yet, then please go ahead and subscribe, like and share. If you think this video is really informative, it's going to help someone, then you can share my video with your friends and family members. And thank you once again, guys, for staying with me. And stay home, stay safe. While you're watching my videos, just stay home, don't go out. Okay. In India, this corona thing is kind of taken the control of everything. It's really bad, I know, guys, but it's a phase and it will definitely go. Give yourself a smile every morning when you wake up, every night when you go to bed. Again, you give a smile to yourself because of whatever you did. I'm sure you do a lot, isn't it? So yeah, take care, guys. I see you in my next video. Till then,